This video shows how to set up and use personal QR code badges. Each created SafeSite check-in user has a profile containing the contact information and a QR code badge. The use of QR code badges provides a more secure environment because a check-in can only occur when a badge is scanned by a kiosk app at the site. There are two ways to create SafeSite check-in users. The first way is to create users through the SafeSite check-in admin app. Each user is defined a role. Admins and supervisors have certain privileges to access the SafeSite check-in admin app. A user that has no role can only view and manage their profile. Badges can be downloaded as a PDF document where they can be printed out for use. Users can also sign into app.safesitecheckin.com where they can see their badge and present it at a site's check-in kiosk device to check in and out of a site. Individuals can also create their own profile by going to app.safesitecheckin.com, where they can create and manage their own profile, which includes a QR code badge. Now let's take a look at managing users through the admin app. I'm signed in as a SafeSite Check-in admin, where I can manage all aspects of the SafeSite Check-in application. The users page lets me see all users and their roles. You see in this page that some users, like Alex, don't have any role defined. I can also view and manage users' profile information. When I select a user, I can see all their details, including the QR code badge. Be sure to include the user's company name because this is basic information required as part of a check-in. The app lets you print out or download the badge as a PDF document. The admin can also bulk download all the user badges to a PDF document. The download process to a PDF might take a few minutes. Let's take a quick look at the PDF. Each badge is a page in the PDF document. You can then use PDF print capabilities to print out the badges as needed. When you add a new user to the SafeSite check-in through the admin app, they receive a welcome email with instructions. Here's an example of an email. The user should click the link to verify their email. The user should then select the Create a Password link to set up a password for their profile. The email also includes additional instructions, including a link to access the app to manage a profile. The app.safesitecheckin.com app lets the user create or manage an existing profile. I'll sign into the app here with my email address to take a look at my profile and QR code badge. If the user doesn't have a printed badge, they can use this page when checking into a kiosk at a site. The user can also upload a photo to be part of their badge and also provide additional contact information and certifications. Now let's take a look at how personal QR code check-in works. When a user's on the job site, they see a device that's set up as a SafeSite check-in kiosk. When the QR code button is selected, the device's camera opens. The individual then holds up their QR code to the camera lens. When the device detects the QR code, it then checks the person in. This concludes our tutorial video. If you want more information on how badges are used to check in with a kiosk, check out the Kiosk Mode video. If you have any questions or issues, please contact our support team.